मुख्यमंत्री कॉनराड के संगमा ने आज शिलोंग में मंत्री आबकारी किरमेन शाइला और वरिष्ठ अधिकारियों की उपस्थिति में आबकारी आयुक्त के कार्यालय भवन की आधारशिला रखी। अपने संबोधन के दौरान मुख्यमंत्री ने इस बात पर संतोष व्यक्त किया कि लंबे समय से लंबित परियोजना आखिरकार आकार ले सकती है और कहा कि बुनियादी ढांचा विभाग को और अधिक कुशल तरीके से कार्य करने में सक्षम बनाएगा। यह भवन काफी समय से लंबित है। हमारे राज्य के 50 साल के करीब होने जा रहे हैं और फिर भी आबकारी जैसे महत्वपूर्ण और राजस्व पैदा करने वाले विभाग का अपना भवन नहीं है। एक बार पूरा हो जाने पर यह सचिवालय क्षेत्र में प्रतिष्ठित बुनियादी ढांचे में से एक होगा। उन्होंने कहा, मुख्यमंत्री ने बताया कि महामारी की अवधि के दौरान राज्य का राजस्व सृजन बुरी तरह प्रभावित हुआ था, लेकिन कठिन परिस्थिति के बावजूद आबकारी विभाग राज्य के लिए एक स्थिर राजस्व लाने में बेहतर प्रदर्शन करने वालों में से एक।
This is Brand Meghalaya Excise. Thank you, sir. A lot of thought has gone in.
Because this particular project or this particular building has been pending for a very, very long time. It's going to be close to 50 years of our statehood. And yet important and a revenue generating department like excise did not have its own building, its own land, and obviously the testing facilities which are coming up with this building. So in a way it's historic because it was long overdue. When this particular issue was brought to my notice, we didn't take much time to get it resolved, and if I'm not wrong, I think within a month's time we got the land allotted, and obviously we also got the funds approved for the building. So as quick as we took the decision, my only request to all of you, and especially to the PWD department, is that during the golden jubilee year of the state, I would want this building to be complete, and I would also want the quality to be very, very good, and to really be an iconic building in the secretariat area that we are having. So my request, and I would like to urge the department to continuously follow up with this and ensure that the building comes up before the Christmas of next year. Technology is very good now. A lot of construction technologies are available which can ensure that buildings can be constructed at a good pace, and I can assure you that there will not be any issue with the funding for this project. So therefore kindly ensure that this is completed on time. I'm also very happy that we have the testing facilities that are coming up here. As was mentioned by the Honorable Minister, that we had to earlier send our products to be tested in Guwahati, and that was very inconvenient and at the same time very time consuming. And obviously the independence of having your own testing facilities to test multiple products, nothing like having your own testing facility. So I'm happy that this building will also have the laboratory where the testing facilities will also be installed. In the last 3.5 years of the MDA government, we have been really focusing a lot on revenue generation. Though we were hit by COVID and we were still struggling with the different cases and different provisions under NJT in terms of our royalties, still we saw that the excise department has done very well. And you heard the numbers that were being read out earlier, that we have seen a constant growth of at least about close to 10%, 12% in the revenue, and that's a very positive indication. But of course, we are hopeful that we will be able to increase it much, much more, and that's really what our target is. But apart from this building, many other reforms have taken place in the excise department. For example, we started off by having the ad valorem to be paid prepaid, and those who understand from the excise department will understand what that means. But for others, it's very simple thing that we started taxing and collecting the ad valorem while the product came into the different bonds. So earlier, the ad valorem used to be collected after the bond gave it to the retail shops. But by collecting it prepaid while it came into the bond, ensured that any kind of leakage that would be there would be all maximum, plugging in of the loopholes would have been there.